enter a program to Zircom Sintering Oven. Today we will input this program. Program start temperature for Zircom is 20 Celsius. Turn on the power to go back to the standby mode. Press the up and down button to choose the course number. We will choose course number 2. Press F1 key to enter the program mode. Press the up arrow button to move to course name. Input the course name by using F3 and F4. Use the right arrow button to go to your next letter. Press the down arrow to move back to step 1. Input 1000 Celsius by using F3 and F4 key. Press the right arrow to adjust the time and input 40 minutes by using F3 and F4. Use the same procedure to program for step 2, 3, and 4. Press the down arrow to move to step 5. Then input 300 Celsius by using F3 and F4 key. And input 1 hour for your time. Press F2 to change in order to change your table position. Using F3 and F4, you can input your desired position. Press F1 key to return to standby mode. Programming of course 2 is now completed.